A high-quality education for our children translates to a healthy economy and thriving community. Strong local education helps attract employers and new job opportunities and supports retail and health services. Our school district's budget is a blend of federal, state, and local funding. Federal and state dollars come with strings attached. Much of it can only be spent on specific things. The local portion is generated from property taxes and can be spent on exactly what our school district needs. But that local portion depends on you, the voters. Throughout Idaho, local communities vote on levies to enhance school funding. If that funding disappears, there is no other way to cover the gap. Did you know that nearly 80% of Idaho school districts rely on supplemental levies to cover their needs? If the local levy doesn't pass, we face some difficult decisions, such as reducing teachers and support staff, eliminating classes that students love, and cutting after-school programs. And what happens when the levy passes? Teachers and schools are funded for what they need. Our quality of education is sustained. Our schools continue to be safe, welcoming places for kids. Together, we can focus on solutions, not problems. So what will local voters see on the ballot in November? The proposed levy will provide $8.25 million in funding per year for 2 years. The levy amount requested by Pocatello-Chubbuck School District 25 remains unchanged from the last renewal, maintaining the current level of funding for educational services. The proposed levy replaces an existing levy that is set to expire on June 30th, 2025, and that currently costs $113.07 per $100,000 of taxable assessed value per year based on current conditions and is not expected to change. Funds will be allocated each year as follows. It's up to us to decide what's right for our kids, our communities, our future. Be sure to vote on November 5th.